you want to enroll in my course. You are a Shopee seller, and then how much is the fee? How long it takes to learn? If you want to learn how to promote your Shopee store using Facebook ads, the course that you should go for is the Facebook ads for Shopee store. Now, at the moment, as we are making this video, the course is, I think, $37, if I'm not mistaken. And bear in mind, we adjust the price from time to time. Like a couple of days ago, somebody just asked, hey, Jason, the other day, I watched a video that you say that your 6-day challenge is $9.99. How come now it's so expensive? I mean, my friend, we adjust the price from time to time. So it's a different thing, okay? So yeah, we adjust the price. So if you want to learn right now, go to my website, look for troubleupacademy.com/course, and you'll be able to see all the courses available. Just go for that. Look for the Facebook ads for Shopee. Now, if you talk about Facebook ads for Shopee, I think overall we have about 4 hours content. 4 hours. I think it's a 4 hours thing. So we cover everything, whether you have a Shopee, you have CPass, we have a strategy for you to run even the 2-step funnel. And if you have CPass, then we have a detailed walkthrough on how you should set up your CPass and how to set up ads using your CPass objective and all that. So it's a very comprehensive and complete, I would say, training. I think at the moment we also have close to 1,000 people who have learned through that. So go for that. It's powerful. So okay, Irish, all the best in promoting your Shopee store with Facebook ads.